Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. Have you ever searched for something online only to get bombarded with ads, SEO optimized blog posts, and results that don't really answer your question? It's like looking for a needle in the haystack. What if there was a better way? Something that gave you direct, well-researched answers without the extra noise. Meet Perplexity AI. It's an AI-powered search engine designed to give you exactly what you need, without the endless scrolling. Some say it could be the future of search. Others think it's just another chatbot. But what is Perplexity AI, and does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Perplexity AI isn't just another search engine. It's a whole new way to find information. Unlike Google, which gives you a list of links to sift through, Perplexity AI delivers clear, concise answers right away. It feels more like having a conversation with an expert rather than digging through endless web pages. So what makes it different? Well, instead of relying on traditional search algorithms, it uses artificial intelligence and large language models to process queries, understand context, and generate informative responses. It's like if ChatGPT and Google had a really smart baby, one that actually cites its sources. Yes, that's another huge plus. Instead of making things up, Perplexity AI shows you where it got the information from, whether it's a reputable news site, a research paper, or a well-established source. That means more transparency and less guesswork. Using Perplexity AI is super simple. You just type in your question like you would with Google or ChatGPT, but instead of getting a bunch of links, you get a well-structured response, often in paragraph form, with links to the sources it pulled the information from. The AI works by analyzing text across the internet, processing language in a way that understands intent rather than just keywords. This means you can ask full, complex questions and it will still give you a clear, direct answer. And if you need more details, you can just keep the conversation going like you would with a chatbot. Another cool feature is that Perplexity AI continuously updates itself, unlike some AI tools that are limited to older data. Perplexity can access real-time information, making it more reliable for current events and up-to-date research. So why are people switching to Perplexity AI? For starters, it saves time. Instead of clicking through multiple articles, blogs, and forums, you get an answer instantly. It's also great for research because it provides sources, making fact-checking easier. And since it's designed to be conversational, you don't have to worry about crafting the perfect keyword-based search query. Just ask your question naturally, and it will figure out what you mean. Perplexity AI is also becoming popular among students, professionals, and researchers who need quick, reliable answers without all the fluff. And for those who love AI-powered assistants, but wish tools like ChatGPT included sources, this is a game changer. Another big draw is that it's free. There's a pro version with additional features, but for everyday searches, the free version is already pretty powerful. Now here's the big question. Can Perplexity AI replace Google? Well, yes and no. For quick, direct answers, Perplexity AI is amazing. It cuts down the search time, avoids unnecessary distractions, and gives sourced responses in a way that feels intuitive. But it's not perfect. Google is still king when it comes to broad searches, deep dive research, and things like finding images, maps, or niche information that might not be widely cited. There are also limitations. Sometimes the AI might misunderstand a complex query or oversimplify an answer. And while it cites sources, not all sources are equally reliable, so there's still some level of critical thinking required. Despite its limitations, Perplexity AI represents a major shift in how we find information. AI-powered search is becoming more common, and as these models improve, we might see a world where traditional search engines become obsolete. Instead of clicking through multiple sites, people might rely on AI-driven tools that deliver answers instantly with full context and transparency. So will Perplexity AI be the one to lead that revolution? Maybe, maybe not. But it's definitely a step towards a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to search for information. So what do you think? Have you tried Perplexity AI yet, or are you sticking with Google for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the latest AI innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.